Bueno, mi gente, llegó el verano. Summer is here. What are the goals? What are the plans? I'm in the studio. This summer, I'm not really looking to do a lot of projects, but I am looking to do a couple. And when I say couple, that may be max 3-4 project for the summer. And I'm very picky when it comes to the project I decide to work on. I don't work, or I don't take on everything that comes my way. I don't take on every single project that comes to me. Not everybody that reach out to say they have a project or they would like to work with me or they would like me to create a project for them, get the guy behind the camera or even gets the camera. Why? Because I do this for enjoyment, for peace of mind. And those are two of the things the project needs to meet for me in order for me to say, yes, I want to do this. Will it be bringing me joy? Will I be learning something new on the project? Or will this project be adding to my peace of mind? If the answers are yes, no, or no, yes, the likelihood of me taking on a project goes down to probably 5%. If the answer to both of those things are yes, yes, the likelihood of me taking on that project goes up to about 70 to 75%. There's not one project out there that I'm always 100%, just because not every project is going to meet that last step that I am required to when it comes to these projects, which is that personal, how do I say it? The third thing that a project needs to meet in my standards, in my book, for me to take it on is the fact that there has to be more to it. Whether it's the artist, whether it's the business, whether it's the individual, there has to be some sort of plan attached to the project going forward, or a plan attached to the project once the project has been completed, especially if I'm the only person that will be involved in the project or in the production or creation of the project. Like, I like to see them have a vision, have ambition towards getting this project off the ground, or getting the project into or in front of as many eyes as possible, or as many ears as possible. Because at the end of the day, if we're creating these things to put out to the world, we want to get as many people as possible to watch, to listen to what we are doing, saying. Because if that's not the point, if that's not the case, not interested. Like I say, I come to my studio and I create these videos for myself. Some of them make it out, some of them don't. And that's fine. This is my work. I get to decide. That's the beauty of it. Like, with my own work, I get to decide what makes the cut or what doesn't make the cut. What goes into the trash, what doesn't, what gets sent to the cloud, or what doesn't. And if I'm not happy with something, I'm just not happy with something, and I move on to the next. I don't let it take over much of my brain space, or I don't let it affect me that much. Desmond Brooks, I'm out.